At Bedrosian, we aim to align the goals of academics and practitioners, to make clear what good government looks like, to work to foster effective governance and spread good ideas, and ultimately, to work to make sure that government implements good policy.
We have these continuing conversations about how public administration is vanishing. Real erosion of administrative capacity, which here I'm calling substance or substantive. Government's lost its capacity to execute public policies and implement public programs. An example, one that we're all familiar with, healthcare.gov implementation, where we couldn't get the website right. Sort of the federal exchange system was just not working and operating. You would think after several years of trying to implement this piece of legislation that we'd have been able to get at least that right. There's more to policy than designing the policy. There's really the execution of the policy. And we're not doing very good at that. We've lost our capacity. The abandonment of public administration by leading higher education institutions. Public administration has fallen out of favor, replaced by glamorous public policy programs, diverting attention from the study, research, and valuing of public administration. Erosion of ideas to address challenges of public service ideation. Theory and scholarship about public administration has not kept pace with the challenges of public service. As an interdisciplinary field, public administration has bounded itself from the disciplines. We're not keeping pace with the challenges of public service. What should we do about it? We need to define research more broadly as discovery, integration, and application. We need to find ways of marrying theory and our more rigorous and sometimes fairly esoteric research. And PA scholarship must become less insular. If we want students to be crossing over from the interdiscipline to the discipline, we probably have to have some conversation between public administration and sociology or political science. And one way to get it is in the design of the PhD program. Explore using public service professionalism as a frame for unifying public values, ethics, practice, and scholarship. We need a robust research on professionalism in public contexts, which we're not getting at all. We're not comfortable thinking about public administration in professional terms. Some clarity about professionalism and how we want to think about it in a public context would help us think about values, would help us think about ethics, would help us think about scholarship that would advance our ability to bring everybody together in public service.
Implementing good policy. That's the way we move forward together and prosper. We're all in this together.